are back in Fusion. We're going to go around here and look at everything. Got this flange tightened up. You kind of see this right here. This is where a roll bar is going to be. And before, this whole seam back here was back on this plane here. But the driver of the car wanted the pedals to be scooted forward this way towards the front of the car. So I scooted them up 2.5 inches, which kind of created an issue with this bar. So anyways, I had to kind of notch out around there. And then again, more bolt holes. This flange, if you remember last time, it was going down. So I actually, all of this whole entire edge right here got scooted forward 2.5 inches. And so this thing is basically flush to the floor right now. And so I moved that flange to face up. And you can see it can't even go all the way across because this is like tight to the floor. Tight here, more bolt flanges. All these holes are for the pedals. This is my first time doing this process, so I don't want to just cut a sheet of metal. I'm going to cut this out of paper here first, and we'll see how it fits in there like that. Here we are over at the CNC table, and I have designed a holder on this table that'll hold a Sharpie. I made this tube right here, pop the Sharpie in. And so basically what we're going to do is draw a picture on this paper, and then I'll cut it out. And we'll use this as a test fit for the floorboard over there. Here is the cardboard floor pan in here. And yeah, we're going to put like pop rivets in here, I think. We'll see what the builder wants to do. And all along here, that all lines up good. It's pretty good around this roll bar. This needs to be tightened up here still. I don't like that big of a gap. We'll see what we do with this flange. I may extend it all the way over here to the wall and just come around this roll bar. But yeah, all of these flanges up here, I think they look pretty good. Other than right here, I need to come in a little bit. I got it too close to this. It was kind of hard to see in the program, but this piece is actually raised up some. And other than that, you know, these flanges over here look good. Everywhere else it looks good. So yeah, next we're gonna have the builder come in and take a look at it and see what he thinks. And if he likes it, we'll be ready to cut. Okay, so just an update. The builder of the car came. He looked at the paper. He wants it to be lighter and stronger. We're using 090 aluminum right now, but I have some ideas on how to make it both lighter and stronger, and that will be in the next video. So keep an eye out. I'll be posting that as soon as I get to it.